With BOOQ, freelancers are able to fill their entire schedules by allowing booking managers to book or hold them even if they aren't available for an entire project. The system makes it very simple to not only book the days that are available, but to also manage any holds the freelancer might have. The process starts as any talent search would. Once you've created your role, click Find and a list of available talent will appear. The days each talent is unavailable are highlighted. Clicking Book will take you to a new page that details the options the booking manager will then have. Next, the booking manager will be presented with a list of dates the freelancer is available to work on your project. Here, you have the option of selecting one or some of the dates, or activate the slider, and BOOQ will combine all of the dates and offer those to the freelancer. If the freelancer has an existing hold, it will be indicated with an asterisk, and clicking on that button will start the hold challenge process. For hold challenges, it's important to know that only one hold can be challenged at a time. You may challenge additional holds, but a new search will have to be created. Once you select your dates, you'll be taken to the offer page, where you'll see how many days you'll be booking the freelancer, along with an offer message and a request to start the hold challenge process. You may also enter your own personal message at this point. Once the freelancer receives your message, they can decide to accept your booking and agree to begin the hold challenge process. The booking manager will receive a notification that their hold challenge has been accepted. BOOQ will then send a private message to the booking manager that currently has the freelancer held. No details of the new booking or the booking manager that has challenged are presented. If the manager with the current booking denies the challenge, then the freelancer is automatically booked on their existing job. If they accept the challenge, then the freelancer is released from the hold, and the challenging manager will be notified that the freelancer is now booked on their project.